Top 4 AI tools to make money online easily in 2026. Want to make money online easily in 2026? AI is the key, and I'm about to share the top 4 tools that can help you cash in. Let's get started. First, we have an advanced content creator AI. It writes articles, scripts, and even social media posts for you. You just sell these as a freelance writer or content manager. No more writer's block. Second, an AI-powered design tool. Think logos, websites, and marketing materials made in seconds. Offer your design services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Third, an AI stock trading bot. It analyzes the market and makes trades for you. It's a bit riskier, but the potential returns are huge if you start small and learn the ropes. Finally, a personalized AI tutor platform. If you're an expert in any subject, you can use AI to create courses and teach students worldwide. These are the tools set to explode in 2026. Get ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.